Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious pepper sauce. So first you're going to need, this is like maybe more than a half a pound of peppers that came straight from my garden, and these are jalapeno, and as you see I have the red jalapeno, and I also have some cayennes as well. And yeah, I still have more in my garden, but yeah. And you will also need oil, doesn't matter what kind. I have vegetable here, vegetable oil. You'll also need your green seasoning, and yeah, this is a main. And this is also salt that you will be needing. And you'll also need chicken cube, Knorr cube, whatever seasoned cube that you have. So first, I am putting in all my peppers in the blender. I have cut them up and I am wearing gloves because, man, it is hotter than you think when they're coming directly from your garden. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just adding all my peppers in directly. And now I have added this amount of water with the peppers, which is like half, you know. And now I will just go ahead and blend this. So as you can see, all my peppers are being blended together, and remember to please wear gloves because when you grow peppers directly from your garden, it's not the same as buying them in the store. But this is what it should look like when they have been blended all together. Now you have this option where you can just blend it like this and add it directly into some ice trays to freeze them as seasoning. Or you can proceed on with making the pepper sauce with this. So back to the pepper sauce, like I'm saying, I'm just pouring in this whole amount into a pot and I will let this steam. So it has been steaming for about, I would say, 20 minutes or so on medium low, and this is what it should look like. It should be dried out when you're cooking down your peppers. And so at this point, you should go ahead and add in some green seasoning for taste, okay? And you're just going to actually add your salt as well. And this is optional because some people don't like to add salt, but I just think it's like A1. And also your chicken powder, you know, Knorr cube or whatever you have. And I'm going to put a nice amount of oil in here because this is a sauce. And this is also good for being a preservative, you know, oil. So I'm just going to mix all ingredients now together as you see. And wear a mask if you not used to heat. I am, but yeah, I'm just mixing it all together. And you see it's starting to look really pretty with red little flakes, and that's the cayenne pepper. And so now I'm going to place my lid and we're going to let this fry for about 10 to 20 minutes on low. All right. And so after those 20 minutes on medium low, I would say, you see how it looks clear here? This is the identification that's going to let you know like your sauce is almost finished. So I'm just going to let it cook for 10 more minutes and then I will show you the result. So after an additional 10 minutes, this is the final result. This is my delicious pepper sauce that I presented to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.